Additional practice, page 37, 38 in your packet. All we're doing is looking at some numerical data in two-way tables. Okay, add the rows, add the columns, total it up. Not a big deal. Use it, interpret the information. Okay, you ask 170 of your classmates how often they send a letter in the mail. Complete the two-way table, frequency table. Complete the two-way frequency table to show the results of the survey. Not bad. Yeah, now if you remember back to the key concept, Mr. Friggy said, hey, look for a row or column that's missing one missing item. Well, boom, right here. As we start to fill in all of these values, look for one where it's missing. Just one. Okay, well, I know these two add up to be 40, which means this has got to be 25. I need 40 minus 15. Hey, here's a row. I like this. 20 plus 10.
Ooh, that's my kind of math right there.
That's 30. Once again, here we go. These two add together to equal 40, which means 40 minus 15.
I feel like
25.
we had a column just like that.
Okay. Oh man, now.
Can I just make up two numbers in the never column?
Let's go to this row. All right. This is not a row. This is a column. 90 plus what number is 170? Well, take 170
80.
minus 90. That's 80. Now we got to figure out this missing piece of data. Well, they all add up to be 90. 25 plus 20 is 45, plus 15 more is 60. Whoa, 90 minus 60, 30. Now I can go to this column, or I could do this row, whichever way you want to do. Okay?
You're still going to get the same number.
30 plus what number is 60? Well, 60 minus 30 is 30. Do we have to do anything else? No, all we got to do is complete it. That takes care of that one.
Woohoo!
Moving on. Oh, all right. Television broadcasting company asked the sample of its customers, what type of program do you watch most frequently? The two-way frequency table shows the results of the survey. If the company wants to decrease the number of programs often offered, which type of program should it choose to cut? Well, the one it should cut is the one that is watched the least often.
Yes.
Okay? So which type is watched the least often? Well, let's see.
It's not sports.
Comedy, okay? Watch 250 total, right? 325 total, 306, 528. I think we should cut.
Yeah, who wants a good laugh anyway?
There's only 250 people out of this total.
Yep.
I'm going for which one should they cut? Comedy. Why comedy? Has the least
amount of viewers.
Least amount of viewers. Yes. There you go. Cut it. If nobody wants to watch it, we don't need it. Moving on down. Another frequency table. A new radio station wants to know which type of music people in the area like the most. The station took the survey and displayed the results in this two-way frequency table.
Here it is.
Letter A. If the radio station wants to mainly play two of the categories, which two categories would result in the most number of listeners? Now we want the most number of listeners in the categories. So categories are in our rows. Let's look. Which one has the most? Well,
rock.
Definitely some rock.
Yeah.
I want to rock. And it looks like jazz is the next. So.
Okay.
Which two? Rock.
Those seem like two odd ones.
Jazz. Why? They have the most listeners.
I'm not listening to you right now.
Listeners.
I can't hear you.
Which two categories draw about the same number of men and women? About the same number of men and women. Well, are these about the same? 35 and 42? 61 and 46? 52 and 43? 44 and 41. That one's pretty daggone close.
Yeah.
36 and 53? No, there was one that was closer.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to go with those
two. Yeah, those are only 7 apart, people. Do a little bit of subtraction there.
Okay, pop and country. Those are the ones that are the closest.
Yeah.
Pop and country. Why?
Country pop.
They have the closest number of men and women. Okay, I'm not going to write it all. they have the closest number of men and women. Okay?
You
When
folks get it.
Compare the men and the women. All right, let's move on. All right, we get to fill in this table, and that's okay. You ask 100 of your classmates. Well, that tells me something right there.
Put that number where it goes, people.
100, going right there. If they like winter, there are 15 boys. I can't even read. There are 15 girls who like winter.
So girls who like winter, 15 of them. 25 who don't.
25 who do not.
Nah.
5 with no opinion.
How can you not have an opinion?
There are 20 boys who like winter. Hey, 20 yes.
All right.
10 who don't.
Boo.
25 with no.
Boy, I guess that just means boys really don't care.
Well, let's go across. This totals 35. This totals 35. This total 30. Okay, add up the columns. 15 plus 25. 40 plus 5 more is
45.
45. I'll guarantee you this is 55. If you want to go through and add it. I don't really care. Does one group like winter more than the other? Can we really tell?
Who's to say?
Well,
It would appear the boys do, right?
it would appear the boys do.
However,
But you got to be careful with data. There's a reason why maybe there's more boys who say yes to winter than girls who say yes to winter. Look down here at the totals.
we
wonder-
surveyed more.
I wonder why maybe more boys said yes.
Ah,
There
interesting.
were more boys surveyed. So, can we say this? Yeah, maybe not. Yes, there are more in number, but does that automatically mean? Well, you got to look at how many were surveyed. Okay. All right. Just Frankie, you want to move up?
Yeah,
Okay. Ooh, why might this? We already did
we
that.
just talked about that.
Okay,
Yep.
why might this be incorrect? That's because the same number of people were not surveyed. All right. Number 5. Researcher tracks data about the outgoing mail in a large office. You want to complete the two-way frequency table. Complete it. Okay. Well, look for a row or column that's missing one piece of data. Nope, that's 2. Ooh, that's 1. 25 plus what number? Oh,
10.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's add this column. How about
15.
that? 15.
I am
How
on
about let's go here.
I couldn't do that one. Yeah.
No, it's not 20. Okay, do the math, folks. 55 minus 15.
40.
Okay, ooh,
Yes.
that's a 40. Okay, now we can do the math here. 15 plus, I was going to say, what number plus 25 is 40? Take 40 minus 25, add this row. This is 20.
Yes.
Now we're ready to rock and roll. Which type of outgoing mail is delivered from the office less frequently? A letter or a package?
Yeah, guys. Outgoing mails, letter and package. Which one of those is delivered less frequently?
Well, I mean,
Doesn't matter what kind of delivery it is. Less
Looks like
frequently.
there's only 20 of these and 35 of these.
So the smaller one is less frequent then, right, Mr. Knoll?
Yes.
That would be letters,
Why?
because 20 is smaller than 35.
We could say, I'm just going to put it that way because 20 is less than 35.
Beautiful.
Therefore, letter is less likely than package. Okay, there's your two-way frequency tables, folks. Head out to your Math Excel, 4.4 Math Excel. Good luck. See ya.